Hello, hello, this is Cara, and it is Freebie Friday time. So here is the freebie for this week for 12/10. Again, it's going to go along with the December daily prompts. So, I think I left off in the last week's with gratitude for today. So then we have grocery list, an everyday picture. So I have this fun vintage frame and a Christmas scene. So that's down here. So I put some things that you could kind of help build your scene around. Movies. There's a movie you're gonna watch, treats, and then the 17th, I think, is the next Friday, right? So I'll do the 17th with the next group. So here are the little things that can go with your December daily for the next few days. And I'm gonna use this one today. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this out. And I don't know if I'm gonna use my scissors, or I might use, like a blade to cut the middle part. All right, I'll be right back. All right, there is my frame cut out. And I printed, if I can find it, a couple pictures of my kiddos. That's my son wearing his mask on his face, but not the appropriate way. I thought this one would be really cute. That one would be cute too, of my daughter and her new haircut, but I think I'm gonna cut this one because it's just kind of funny. All right, so I'm gonna cut this in half. And then I can put that picture somewhere else. Rip that off. And I think that looks good. All right, so I'm gonna add a little bit of glue. So silly. I might have even shown this picture like on my Instagram. I can't remember. It just kind of cracks me up. It was in the morning as I was dropping him off for school. And he said, "Yep, Mom, look, I'm ready to go." I'm like, well, that's one way to do it. Might have difficulty seeing where you're going, but whatever works, bud. All right, so there's that. I love like the old vintage frame with the goofy picture. It's pretty fun. All right. Link up, and then let me find my page. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, wanted to grab a few things that I can use to add to this page and my number. So this is a Tim Holtz. Oh, this one page site is fun too though, huh? This is a Tim Holtz, I think they're called the Christmas journaling cards. Oh, I like that side too. I think this side, oh, now I'm torn. Now I'm torn, what to do? I think the black, but I don't know. I like the berries. Okay, well, we're gonna come back to that because I can't decide. But I have this because I'm gonna write my journaling on the back of this. And then I have some scraps, and I thought I pulled the number. No, that's not the right group of numbers. There it is. All right, so for the 12th, here's my pre-made numbers that make life so much easier. All right, I'm gonna set this over here, and then let's do this side. I was thinking this could go up here. Little glue. We'll stick that up here. Let it hang over a little bit, I guess. And then I have these other bits that I thought would be kind of fun. Maybe kind of layer them up down here. Maybe something like this. Or maybe just the two. Let's just start with the two. There we go. And we'll do this one. And well, let's rip up this part and then let's just go ahead and add this. Why not? I want to go this way. I think I'm going to go that way. Love using up all the little scraps of the Tim Holtz stuff. Like that. Okay. I have my numbers. So this might be fun. I was thinking I could put this here, my number, and I added the sticker, so all I have to do is peel this off. There we go. Oh, come on, sticker, stick. And then I might need some washi tape for my, or I can make this a little pocket so that I could stick in. Let's do that. Let's see. There's another scrap. This might work. Yeah, that works. And I'm just gonna rip. And I think that will work for a little pocket. A little glue and a little glue. It'll almost be like a little belly band because I didn't glue the bottom. Maybe we need to glue the bottom. So to get this week's freebie, you want to go to Cara Brandon and Friends on Facebook, and you can download it there. The other, if you've missed the previous ones, they are there as well for the previous weeks. All right, now let's see. Little glue back here. Now back to this, deciding do you like that? I kind of still think that, or we could use the smaller version and keep the big card. I'm going to do like this. All right, I'm going to glue this down. Oh, but I want that tape look on the outside. All right, I'm going to glue this down. Goodbye, fun numbers. Goodbye, fun berries. I'll see you later, or not. I'll see your big brother. And then we'll glue the picture like that. There we go. And I think I want a little bit of scrappity bits to kind of tie the two pages together. Maybe something down here like this. A little ink. And then that kind of ties that together. That's good. I don't know if we need something up there or not. I should have inked these a little bit. All right. Do I need anything else here? I don't know. I don't know. I think it's not bad. So we have day 12. I'll journal in a second, and there's our everyday picture. Not bad. All right, so again, you can grab this at Cara, Brandon, and Friends, and I hope you have fun working on your December daily and have a wonderful weekend and have happy times crafting. All right, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.